So hello, this is Ripunuchan Chopol from WP Theme Art, and today we will have a look how we can dynamic our blog details page. So you can have a look here. This one is our blog details, the template that we are developing. So this is the blog details page. It is having some uh, thumbnail image, some metadata, then the title of the blog post, then the content area here, then a block code, then two images here, and some tags, then social icon, then previous post and next post, then some author details data, then the comment section. Now we'll have a look how we can dynamic this area. So till the last video we have seen how we can dynamics the things here. Now it's time to check the details page. So here is the blog page, and if I click on this title, what is driven me to the details page, and if I check it, you will see it's completely blank cause we haven't put anything in this single.php file. As you can see here, this file is completely blank. So if I put something here and echo something that hello, okay, if I echo these things and give a refresh here, you will see the output here, hello. Okay, now it's time to set all the things. So I will just copy and paste it from the index.php file. So I'll copy all the things, and you know index.php, what does it work for? It works for this blog page. So I'll just copy and paste it and edit the modifications here. So for the things, I will remind the thing. Here is the doc tag, and then the get header area, and there is always a footer area. Okay, and in here you will see in the details page the content and this sidebar. So we'll keep it like this. All the things that will be like this. Only we need to change is this pagination. There will be no pagination, so I will delete it, the paginations area, and this area, the sidebar area will be there. So I'll keep it blank, and you guys obviously know that how to dynamic this sidebar area. And in here we'll do it like this. While have post test, then get template part, it will be like this. The content none, that will be not here. So we'll create a folder here in the template section. We'll create another file that is called content single. So we'll create a new file and give it to content dash single dot php. Okay, content writing mistake again, so I'll rename it content single.php here, and in the single.php I will give it like content dash single, and this none I don't prefer to keep it here, content single, and there will be no else right now, or else if there is no content then you can set the template contents to none. It's not a matter. Okay, so now I will go here again, and again we will see some things here now. Okay, if I go on the details page now, you will see that header and the footer area. Now it's time to dynamic the content single.php this file. So it will be the reason that this content is coming, I mean the inner content that will be coming. So first of all we need the thumbnail image here, so I will check the markup for that one. So here there will be page called blog details, and I will take it to my editor, and I will copy this global business things here, Control F and Control B. Okay, now as you can see inside the call lg8, this section is here, and in content single I need to copy this full area, so I'll copy it, and in this content single.php I'll just paste it as HTML. Now if I refresh it here in this part, then you will see the things that it has been copy and pasted here, only image is missing. So now it's time to dynamic these things. So for the blog post, okay, let me rearrange a bit these things. Okay, first of all, there is a thumbnail. So it will take some time because in step by step it's not possible to show all the things in one video. So I will make it to only the thumbnail, then the date and metadata, then title, then this content. And in our next video we'll see how we can dynamize this text and social icon, then the previous and the next icon. So we'll make it episode by episode. Okay, so now it's time to make the post thumbnail. So I'll write it like PHP if has post thumbnail, then we can write like this PHP indif, or you can start with the second bracket also. So and in here I will write, there is no class here, so I will write like this directly PHP the post thumbnail. Okay, now if I go here in this page, in this WordPress, so and give a refresh, you'll see the image. Okay, now it's time to dynamic this date and this by admin text. So you will see here the blog meta. You remember that I have done that in our blog style one page. So uh, I will just copy this from here, this blog meta, and I will paste it here. And if I give a refresh now, you can see the date by admin and the date 2022. If I give a refresh, then you can see it has changed. It's 16 March 2024 and the author is this one. Okay, and now it's time to dynamic the title. So if I go for here the title, we can check if this post is having title or not. So we can check this through this PHP if get the title, then we can write like this, and then again PHP indif. Okay, sorry, the bracket will be not there, and in here we will write PHP echo get the title. And now if I go here and give a refresh, you will see the title, it is completely dynamic now. As you can see the permalink here, Latin derived from Sears first century BC, so title match it. Okay, now it's time to check the content area. So now from this P, uh, from this P, I mean this paragraph text, then block quote, then this paragraph text, then two images, this the content area, that is our whole content part. So I'll just delete that part from this P. As you can see, this is the bottom P and this is the upper P. So I will just delete it, and in here I will write PHP the content. Okay, now if I give a refresh, let's see what happened. So you see the content is this one here. So I will edit the post now. This post I will edit it like this. So here we are having some paragraph first. We will give some paragraph, then again some paragraph again. We'll press the enter, then give the paragraph. Then here you can see the block code. So I'll choose here. There is a pre-built blocks here for the code. So that is code, and I will type this title here, this title here, and the citation means the author name. Okay, here. And as if I inspect this one, you will see a extra class that is called VS Code. Okay, so for getting this design, I will place this class in here. As you can see, in here advanced CSS classes. So I will paste it here, VS Code. And if I give an update here, and if I give a refresh, here you can see the style of this one. Okay, only the top author is missing because the options is not there, but you can also design that. Okay, now it's time to put the content again, some descriptions area. Then you will see two images here. So it's a interesting part that how you can insert two images here. So there is column system here built in with the Gutenberg editor. So here is the columns. Then I will choose 50-52 columns. Then here in add block I can choose the image block here. So I'll choose this image, and from here I will click on upload, and you need to upload your image from here. So I will select the image. Now I can choose this image to open. Okay, and in the right side there is another options of the column. Then I will click on add block, then img image, then I will upload again another image from this one. Okay, so this two image also has been uploaded. Now it's time to give some content again. Here we can give some content. Now if I give a update here and give a refresh here again, you can see our desired content like same to same this one. Okay, so this is the way that you can do the blog details content area part with the thumbnail, then some metadata, then some title. So in our next episode we'll check how we can dynamic these tags and this social icon area with the share button. Okay, so this is some advanced things, so I'll do it in the next video. Thank you.